has more power than 1,000 super soldier serums.
Close. He's stronger than all of the Avengers rolled into one.
And if he dies, Earth would suffer the power of 1,000,000 exploding suns. You want to know what he's capable of?
What the hell? There is a hero.
Hero, there is no higher calling.
You are gonna help me stop it.
Wait, us?
Yes! Let me show you. What are your greatest nightmares?
You are a superior being. What do you have to show them?
Why would a god take orders from anyone at all?